So in today's video, we'll be talking about 4 essential equipment that you need as a small content creator. One is a camera. So I've gotten an alternative for you. In case you don't have a camera, you can make use of your phone. Yes, I'm actually using a phone. So is it that you use an iPhone? If you don't have that, you can use an Android phone. It's good. Then 2, you need light. So if you don't have ring lights, you have sunlight, you can go natural. 3, you need a background. You don't really need something very fancy. You don't need to go rent a background, but something neat. If you feel that your place is not good enough, then you can go online. There are a lot of background you can get online, and then you edit it in your video. Then audio. Your phone definitely has a microphone inbuilt in it. Except it is bad, then you need to buy a mic. These are the 4 essential things that you need in turning that script into a video. So go ahead, make that content. Hi, my name is Oge. Subscribe, turn on the notification button. See you in my next video.